Hi everyone, welcome to Homebody. I am Felisa, your host for this video. I'm jumping on to give you a brief tour of my aqua eggshell blue living room. If you're interested in seeing it, just keep watching. Okay, love, so I'm here in my living room and I'm going to give you a tour of what I've done pre-spring. We have changed the colors in this space, and this is going to be my first spring living room tour. As you know, I'm going to be doing many spring living room tours, especially in this space. I may even do more in my family room since I have an updated sofa in there. But what I want to do first is start back here. So I moved my camera just a tad bit closer. So this black slate wall is from Zgallerie. It's a company that I found over on Instagram. The wall art is actually from Home Goods. The actual wall sconces that's on the wall are from Amazon, but you also can get them from Wayfair. My sofa is called a TOV Cirque sofa, and it's from TOV, but you can get your hands on it from Wayfair and Amazon. I will have it linked as well. These pillows here, I've shared them with you guys. I use them in my family room, and these are actually from Home Goods. And the Mongolian pillows, these are from Zgallerie. This is the aqua color, super cute. I love this color. This color is good for spring, and it's also good for summer. If you're gonna do like the coastal theme, I'll go coastal with that color as well. So I'm over here in my fireplace area. This fireplace is actually from Wayfair, but you can get your hands on it from Amazon. I have the little miniature ellipse vase. You guys are familiar with the ellipse vase. This is a little small one. I've had this for years. When I got this one was only 19 bucks. I don't think they sell the small ones anymore. Then I have some tiara vases here. It came in a large and a small. These are also candle holders. Then I have some super cute little picks in here. These are giving me like organic vibes. This is from Amazon. It was like 4 in a set, and they are really cute if you want to get you something organic. Organic is a style that's going on right now, like a trending style. So I have some glam, organic, modern vibes going on in this space. And the actual floor lamp that I have, this is a Zgallerie floor lamp over on this side. I also have the table lamp on the other side. And when I get over on that side, I'll show you that as well. This mirror is a TOV mirror. I think it's on clearance, but I'm not quite sure. But I will link everything that's linkable. I like this mirror due to the uniqueness of it. Really cute with the details going on in the center. You can hang this mirror the way I have it, which is horizontal, or you can turn it around the other way and go vertical. So here, this pillow is from Home Goods. I've had it for several years. It's kind of like a mint green, eggshell blue. It's in between all those colors, mint green, eggshell blue, aqua. But all of these colors are pairing together for me. They're pairing together really well. I've had them for a few years. Those are from Home Goods. And my chair, my accent chair, is from Wayfair. You can either purchase one of these chairs or you can purchase it as a set. So over on this side, these drapes are actually from Amazon. I think I've shared them with you in my family room, but these are from Amazon. Let me tell you a story behind these drapes. So I ordered one set for my family room window, and I only ordered 40 inches. And when they came, I'm like, I wasn't really feeling just the 40 inches. So I ordered 2 more, and it looked really cute in that window. So what I did was I wanted to just use some, I didn't want sheer curtains in here, but I wanted some white curtains that wasn't, that didn't block the light, because I need all the light that I can get. So these were perfect. These are not light blocking. The light comes right through these. I didn't want the sheer look. I wanted like a linen look. So I went with these, and I had to order another set to give me that full look. I wanted them to be full, so I ordered another set. Excuse my camera, it's having me to look dark. But let me see if I can bring you in closer so I won't look so dark. That's better. Same thing here. I have two. I'm using two per section. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 sets of drapes on this window to give me the full look that I wanted. And then again, as I mentioned, here's the table lamp that goes with the floor lamp. And then I have this super cute vase. This is so cute. This vase is actually from Zgallerie, and they call it eggshell blue, but it's more of I think it's more of an aqua looking color to me. And then I have these little feathers here. These feathers I'm sure came from Michael's or either Hobby Lobby. I don't remember exactly, but I tied them in with this, and it looks really pretty. And then I have this super cute bunny. This bunny, I've had it for a couple years, and it's from none other than Luminara. They have the cutest candles. You can set this on a timer, or you can set it to be on constantly. I usually keep it on a timer. It comes on in the evening time and goes off at night. I don't see this particular, this was a mint color. I think they have them in yellow, blue, and I forgot the other color that they have this year. But yes, Luminara bunny candle. And then I have a little floral accent piece here. This is actually from Zgallerie, but it's no longer sold. And then up here is my chandelier. Love this chandelier. I've had this up for maybe about, I put it up during the summer, I think. But it's from Wayfair, but you also can get your hands on it from like Amazon. I'll link it down below. Okay, loves, my chandelier. My chandelier is from Wayfair. I'll have it linked down below. It's available in gold and black. Okay, let's get into my entryway. So my entryway console table is actually from Wayfair. And I like it because it's very affordable. I think I didn't pay a good $200 for this entryway table. And that's why I like it, because, you know, I like to change things out so often. Don't benefit me to pay an arm and a leg for something, and 2 years from now, I'll be changing it out. So I barely paid about $200, maybe $230 for this. And I always tell you guys that this is not high quality. It's like that manufactured wood, but this is absolutely beautiful, and you have to put it together. The wall art is from Burlington. These lamps are from Amazon, and I have the cutest cross that says "He is risen." This is actually from Home Goods. I had it for a few weeks, ready to decorate for spring. This from Home Goods, and I'm going to be going somewhere with this in a few weeks with the brown color. Yes, I'm going to be going with some brown here. And then I have a super cute little bunny. Also came from Home Goods. This was $5.99. And it has white on the side, and it has the wood in the front. And it goes well with this black. This was $14.99. Then I have these. These are called Solaris vases. They're similar to the ellipse vase, but they're way less expensive. This is the smaller one. Whenever you want to get a pop of color, if you have this, you can add a pop of color. I have some aqua rocks in here, and my rocks actually came from Hobby Lobby. And let's see here. One more thing to show you. If I can get to it. Okay, so this floor vase is actually from Zgallerie, and it comes in the white and it comes in the gold, and I just have some aqua florals in here. That's probably from Michael's. I've had that for several years. So now you can see the entryway a little bit better from this angle. It looks like you can. Yeah, you can see it way better from this angle. I love this entryway. Super, super cute. Okay, love. So I need to talk about my coffee table. So my coffee table itself is from Homary. It came in a set where it had the larger drum and a smaller drum, which I have over on that side. And this centerpiece here is actually a Zgallerie exclusive. I've had this so long ago, about 6 years or so. So you won't be able to get your hands on it. It's super cute. This is like an eggshell blue, baby blue, powder blue. I'm not exactly sure of the color, but it's flowing well in the space. And then I also have this 3-wick candle that's from Amazon. And let's talk about my outfit before we go. So this blue jean denim dress is from Fashion Nova, and I've had it since last spring. So I'm not sure if it's linkable. If it is, I will link it. It came with a belt. And then I just have on some denim sandals that came from Home Goods or Marshalls or something like that. But my favorite of this outfit is these super cute boot-like earrings. These are so pretty. These are from Amazon and they come in multiple colors, and I'll link those down below as well. But I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.